Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. So the news is IIM Calcutta had changed its admissions criteria for 2019, right? Now, I am going to give you a background. So earlier it used to be IIM Calcutta has never ever considered graduation percentages absolutely. So it used to be 10th standard and 12th standard. Now this year what they have done is they have said that they will be considering graduation percentage also in their slot 1 of their kind of evaluation, right? So in the first round of evaluation they will be considering your graduation percentages. Now that's the change that IIM Calcutta has came up with. Is it good or bad? I'm going to do the evaluation very quickly, but as far as the IIM Calcutta's statement is concerned, they say that we want to give a fair chance to everybody. We want to have the fair opportunity for everyone, so that we are not only considering level 1 like 10th standard and the 12th standard, only 2 levels. We want to consider all the 3 levels of the education, which is the Indian education predominantly, right? So they want to now take into consideration 10th standard, 12th standard and graduation. But trust me, some people might feel that this is not going to be in favor of couple of stream students, but I don't think so. Now let's go ahead and check the slot number 1, wherein the first evaluation will happen. Looks like this. So your CAT 2019 score will carry around about 56% ka weightage. So that's going to be your only score as far as CAT percentile is concerned. Now, there is a way that the IIM Calcutta will be calculating CAT percentile and all this. We will not get into that. I am anyway going to create a different video altogether, and even in my workshop which is happening in Pune, I will be walking you guys through the entire IIMs ka the admission process and all that. So there I will be talking in detailed manner about it, right? So now to cut it short, right, 56% is the weightage. Now the weightage will differ, right? So if you look at the open category cutoff in all the aggregate that I'm talking about, the open category cutoff for IIM Calcutta is 85 percentile equal to or greater than 85 percentile. That's the aggregate cutoff for you to get a call from IIM Calcutta. So this is level 1. Level 2 is going to be your 10th score. So 10th score should be around about 10% weightage has been given. For a 12th score, 15% weightage has been given. So if you are somebody who's scoring 80% plus in 10th and 12th, you will be getting like 10 on 10 and 15 on 15. So that's the kind of a that's kind of a calculation that IIM Calcutta has said it. It's out in the paper. It's there on the website also. Now, coming back to the second criteria, which is newly added, that's a graduation. Now, graduation will have 15% weightage. Again, there will be category 60% plus and so on and so forth. And again, the diversity factor will have 4 marks extra. So 4% or 4 marks have been given to the non-engineers and women candidates and all that stuff. Totals up to 100. So this entire thing will sum up to 100. Now you might feel that this is going to be a problem, because engineers scoring 60% as far as the Maharashtra is concerned, scoring 60% in engineering is quite a big deal, right? Wherein BCom folks can score more than 60, 70 and all that stuff, right? So there are certain streams wherein scoring 60 is a big deal. There are certain streams wherein scoring 60 is not that a big deal, right? So there might be discrimination, that you might feel that there is a discrimination. But I think IIM Calcutta has taken that into consideration. And that's the reason, if you look at this entire chart, if you are scoring 60% in your graduation, you are getting 15 on 15. I mean, you will get the entire total, you will get the total percentage. So 15 marks will be added to your profile. Now, if you are greater than or equal to 55 and lesser than 60% in your graduation, you will be getting round about 10% or round about 10 marks. If you are greater than or equal to 50 and less than 55% in graduation, you will be getting round about 5 marks. And anything which is below 50% in graduation will get round about 2.5 marks, right? So that's the new criteria of the IIM Calcutta. I trust me, I don't think there is any drastic change that will happen, because these guys have taken that into consideration. So the thing is, yes, the CAT score is quite important, but this is going to be your level 1. CAT score looks little on higher level की यार 56% की weightage दी गई है, but ये weightage बहुत negligible हो जाती है जब आप second round में चलते हो. So round 1 is evaluation. On the basis of this score, you will be getting a call for VAT and PI. That's going to be the second round. So VAT, PI, all these things will be added. On that basis, you will be having a merit list. So all these things right out here goes minimal in the second round. So anyway, I'm going to be talking about all these things in my workshop. I am targeting the top IIMs, right? I'm going to give you guys how it is easy to make it to these B schools, taking care of your profile, your percentile and so on and so forth. So the workshop is happening on this Sunday, which is going to be in Pune. Next weekend is going to be in Mumbai and online. There is a Google link, there is a Google form link in there. you can register. It's a free workshop. You will be getting a lot of details like this, strategies and everything. So do register for your workshop. Sunday it is the day, that's 4th of the August. It's in Pune, 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. right? So that's going to be the timing. We will send you the address and all that. Registration is compulsory, so if you are registered, you will get an email from our side. Coming back to IIM Calcutta news, I don't think there is anything to worry about. It's a good news actually, because graduation is also getting into consideration. It's not a bad news at all, because those who are scoring 60 will get full on marks. Those who are not scoring 60 will get something or the other. But yeah, those people who believe that, you know, they are 60 plus, it's a good news for them, absolutely. But again, things will boil down to CATCA score and your performance in VAT and PI. So guys, that's it from my side. Stick to my channel, do subscribe if you have not, because I'm going to be uploading loads of content on this channel. Right from today, we're going to talk about colleges, vocab and so on and so forth, right? So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to it. Thank you so much, guys.